Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you the new scan. What is it? They call this one Thinkcar. Okay, so now that the brand new, I want to hook up with the Rover. I want to see what's going on. Okay, so this one the Bluetooth. I want to see how they work. Got the brand new. Okay, I didn't scan the both to you guys. Make sure you guys can see that. Turn the key on. Okay, now we're gonna check this one. I want to see how they work. With the VIN number. They read the VIN number. Oh my god, look at that, very fast, man. Okay, they read that. Land Rover 2019. Man, this is very good. I'm going to check everything. Let's see. Automatically shut. Menu reset. Menu select. Hero auto check. I believe that they wanna. Let's see. Okay, go back auto. I tell you anything. Okay. Yeah, to tell you new Rover Spark. Blah 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 blah. That's the right one. Everything. So the function is to download the file. Download the file. Download successful. Oh man, very fast. I love it. Okay, vehicle information. Let's see vehicle information. Blah 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 blah. Go back. Asset. Are you asset? Yes. Okay, now go into diagnostic. They need to go back over there. So we don't need that to go back over here. Auto check. They didn't know this car already. So let's see what they're doing. They go to all service function. Just tell you. Okay. So select the menu service. Okay, that's the Rover Cover Sport 2015 Discovery. They go back to menu, Defender, everything. So now go back over there. Yes, now go to diagnostic, enter European car. We go Land Rover. Let's see how. So I time I select a menu. Run over blah blah blah. 2017, 2019, 22. Okay, so we go to health report. That means they check everything. They scan everything. Serious? Does it work? Everything. So very good, so far so good. Hold on, let me see they go any module. So they go any module. Okay, they have a lot of code over here before they confirm. Look. Just to learn blah blah blah. Alright, so now go back over there and let me see the engine light on or not. Maybe the engine light on. That's a history code. Okay, to go back over there, select. So a lot of engine light on. So I'm going to clear all the code. Okay, let's see. Are you sure to clear all the system for? Yes. Very good. We clear all of them. I can't believe this one. It worked very good. Done. That's it. 35 system. Okay, very good. For each module, which one we wanted, and we can go parking sensor, tailgate, functional, whatever, gateway module, function, blah blah blah, JC, body control module. That's a lot of things. That's very good. Everything. Can't believe that it worked great. Go back over there. Special function, maintenance function. Alright, so this one we do the electronic parking brake, reset, tire pressure monitor system. Let's see. Hit the tire monitor system. Let's see. I don't know, you guys can see that. Okay, tire replacement, tire pressure monitor sensor test, tire pressure sensor display. No, don't need to. Steer angle sensor calibration. Everything. I can't believe that. Man, maintenance reset, power control module, brake pump, everything. Man, the Chinese, they may kill everything. I can't believe that. Go back over there. Yes. So to go back over here. Yes. Now we gotta go serve it. Let's see. This one I believe serve it over here. What is that? Report. Go maintenance. So maintenance, they have everything faster over here. The maintenance, with legal maintenance. So let's air suspension, headlight, whatever, ABS, ATF, everything. A very good machine. Anyway. Diagnostic, upgrade, more, blah 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 blah. Oh man, it's very good anyway. So I recommend it. So because you pay for Snap-on, Autel, and you have to update the software. But this one, you know why? Bluetooth work perfect. Chinese, I know the Chinese, but anyway, doesn't matter. They make all Chinese right now. Okay, so I recommend it. It's very good scanner, very quick, check, very fast compared with my scanner, very fast. I recommend it. Okay, so thank you for you watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.